Hello, I'm Kat Austen, a new media artist based in Berlin with a PhD in chemistry. To answer the challenge Circular Futures, I'm proposing circular records, on which I will be working with artist, scholar and designer Fara Peluso. Circular Records addresses the problem of materiality and resource consumption for environmentally motivated new media art by developing a viable replacement for vinyl in record production. In collaboration with the challenge partners, we will develop a record production process that uses sustainable biomaterials to achieve a high-fidelity reproduction of the album This Land Is Not Mine, an experimental music album about changing identity in a landscape transitioning away from open-cast mining.
In previous research to the residency program Mind the Fungi project at TU Berlin, I continue to research and test the bioplastic material that we will use for the Circular Records prototype. Research focused on understanding its first sensorial experiences, which will have driven the research towards a suitable product. Building on this biomaterials research, we will explore biohybrids and mixed materials to achieve the required material properties for the vinyl replacement. A close collaboration with the Lead Factory and the Kunststoff cluster will be focused on improving the bioplastic material to the point that it is durable, resistant, and usable in record production.
By the end of the fellowship, we expect to have a working prototype and a first release of the record, This Land Is Not Mine, as a limited edition. We envisage this research to be the foundation of a step change in both biomaterials fabrication and record production.